ये शायद अपनी परीक्षा थी जिसमें हमने कुछ और हिट किया है.
Only way up from here now. So.
ओनली वे, हाँ, इससे कम क्या ही हो सकता है. ये थोड़ा जेई एग्जाम जैसा ही स्कोर.
Similar mental breakdown as well. 10 ring is 11.5 mm.
बट ओके, मेरे कोच ने मुझे बहुत अच्छे से सिखाया है. चैलेंज एक्सेप्टेड, लेट्स गो. हेलो, वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ चैंपियन स्टफ. आज हम जिस स्पोर्ट को शूट करने वाले हैं वो मैंने बॉलीवुड में सबसे ज्यादा देखा है. एंड इट विल बी क्रिमिनल टू नॉट टेल यू द जोक कि आज हम शूटिंग की शूटिंग करने वाले हैं. So ladies and gentlemen, today we are meeting a champion who's a national level pistol shooter. और आज वो हमें बताएंगे टिप्स, ट्रिक्स एंड रीजंस टू लव पिस्टल शूटिंग.
आगे बढ़ने से पहले अगर आप भी मेरी तरह इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो वेलकम टू चैंपियन स्टफ. इन दिस शो वी प्ले स्पोर्ट्स एंड फाइंड ऑल द रीजंस टू लव इट.
While this would look very cool, this is not your best shot to shoot a bullet. ये बात पहले मैं सीखूंगा और सारे बॉलीवुड एक्टर्स को, डायरेक्टर्स को सिखाऊंगा. In today's episode of Champion Stuff, we are learning pistol shooting with Neeraj Mulani. Hi,
Nice
what's
to
up?
meet you.
Same here. Great T-shirt, by the way.
Always representing.
Okay, but Neeraj, I've been out of all the sports we have shot. I've been most excited about this one because I have always gotten chance to touch a badminton racket or a tennis racket or a pickleball court. I've never gotten a chance to shoot. And so many times in my life मुझे मन हुआ है कि मैं किसी को शूट कर दूं. मुझे मौका नहीं मिला है. Finally, we are getting a chance to touch a gun and shoot.
But not shoot people. But
Yeah, not today.
not ever, hopefully.
But and that's why I'm looking forward to learning कि pistol shooting exactly कैसे होता है. By the way, सबसे ज़्यादा individual medals अगर इंडिया को किसी भी स्पोर्ट में मिले हैं तो वो शूटिंग है. And we are hoping for so many more medals coming ahead. And Neeraj himself being hopefully being one of the people who will bring glory to the country. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
I am very excited to know more about your sport in your training ground.
Thank you for the opportunity. I'm also very excited to talk about shooting, and it's a great sport. It's only been 3 years that I have picked it up myself, and I've fallen in love with it, and I'm hoping to see you also really like it.
So if I'm playing my first match,
Yeah.
what is something you'll tell me in my first 60 seconds?
To not over-analyze your shots, you just need to look at the sights. We will have a look at it as we start shooting, but generally the only thing that you need to focus on is the front sight. If you're doing that, most of your shots would at least land on the target. That is usually the biggest problem that people have when they are starting to shoot, focusing on multiple things. Just focus on the front sight and you'll be
Okay.
on the target.
अर्जुन सही बोल रहे थे.
Yeah,
अच्छा.
for sure.
Okay, it's not a story, guys. And but I have shot balloons a lot of times all my life. How close is this to that?
Not at all.
Not at all.
I also thought when I got into the sport that I have some advantage having gone to the fun fairs, but there is no advantage there.
So there are also pistols in that balloon fun fair.
Correct.
But
these would be designed for accuracy. Those would be designed to trick you into paying more, I think.
With that in mind, I would like to take my first shot, and your advice was just focus on the front side.
Correct.
एक नूब शॉट लेने की कोशिश करेंगे, एंड देन इवेंचुअली वील सी कि एंड में हम कितना बेहतर कर पाते हैं. इट्स ओके गाइस, आई स्टिल हैव 2 points. Okay, cool. So this is how good I am, Neeraj. And so first of all, to understand the sport more, what are some basic rules I need to know before stepping on the field?
In terms of the sport in itself, the beginners would be shooting about 40 shots in 50 minutes if they're shooting on an electronic target. And the maximum you can score is 10 points per shot. So out of a 400, you'd get your score. You're allowed to take breaks as long as you shoot your shots in 50 minutes. And once people get to the national and international stage, they'd shoot out of 60 shots.
And this is exactly how any a target looks in any competition.
Yes.
So guys, just to compare it with my hand, this is probably smaller than it's as much as a tissue paper.
Yeah.
And it's 10 meters away. In this one there are also 25-meter competitions. So that's how far and that's how small it is.
So just for scale, the 10 ring that you see is the 10 ring is 11.5 mm.
मतलब 1.1 सेंटीमीटर बड़ा ये 10 रिंग है. और ओलंपिक्स में ज़्यादातर 10s मारते हैं लोग.
Largely, yes.
What's the gold medal score? What's the world record?
The world record is 594 out of 600. Jin Jong from South Korea. And the Indian national record is 591, which was shot just in the previous national games. So it's a delight to watch the athlete go through his routine. So
थोड़ा मैथ करना.
591 is 51 out of 60 shots being 10s and 9 shots being 9s. So I think the world record 594, which means he has shot only 6 9s. Rest everything is 10s.
6 9s और 54 10s.
Yeah. So that would be 90% of his shots were 10s.
Wow. So according to you, top 3-4 rules I should know.
Yeah. You'll need to stay behind the red line. एक ही हाथ यूज कर सकते हैं. One shot at a time. So you can't load it up multiple pellets and shoot. And you can stand however you want. You can also shoot straight on to the target.
अच्छा.
It isn't optimal, but if that is the way you shoot.
अच्छा, मतलब ज़्यादातर लोग ऐसे करते हैं.
Correct.
लेकिन मैं ऐसे भी कर सकता हूँ.
हाँ.
और कोई ऐसा करता है?
There are a few shooters, but again, it isn't like biomechanically, it's not the optimum position to be in.
Is there any foul कि ये करने से आपको, जैसे अगर मैंने डब्बे को मार दिया तो मुझे निकाल देंगे बाहर, ऐसा कुछ करेंगे?
निकाल नहीं देंगे, but that would be a 0. If you see any trouble with your target, you know, your shots not getting registered, you need to call the range. That is it. The range officer.
अच्छा, a referee maybe?
Correct, referee. So they'll come sort it out for you.
अच्छा, मतलब दिस स्पोर्ट इज मतलब जो भी स्पेक्टेटर स्पोर्ट्स होते हैं, ये थोड़ा जेई एग्जाम जैसा ही स्पोर्ट है. एक ऑफिसर है, आपको अपना करते रहना है. और
सिमिलर मेंटल ब्रेकडाउन एज वेल.
अच्छा, ओके.
Which isn't visible to outside.
अच्छा, oh, okay. So what goes in your mind when you are loading and shooting? So between those 2 points, what are the thoughts?
Ideally, a good shooter would have something called a pre-shot routine.
Achha.
So you're trying to control whatever variables you can control, and you would have a steady set pre-shot routine. You're trying to think of the same things. You're trying to visualize the best shot and the best routine that you can do.
Achha.
Because if you don't, then that is again an empty area which the mind tries to fill up with multiple possibilities and probabilities and permutations and combinations which you want to avoid. Because you can't control those things, right? So
okay, so
we also spend a fair time in the gym ourselves. The idea isn't to lift very heavy because that is counterintuitive to our sports. We aren't supposed to be bulking up. We are supposed to be working more on functional and stuff in physical. at the end of the day, it is a physical sport. You need to be standing still for 75 minutes, lifting the arm for about 70 times.
अच्छा
So it is physically intensive because the human body is made to move. So it is not designed to be standing still and being stable. So it's hard work doing that as well.
बिल्लियां
Considering-
बदनाम है बस
Yeah.
ह्यूमंस भी हम भी
Considering
खड़े
the
कर
size
रहे
of the target as well.
हैं। हाँ करेक्ट ओके और एंड यू मे एज वेल choose to laugh on this question, but I have this question कि I forgot the question.
Maybe
होता है
laugh.
भाई होता है मैं थोड़ी एथलीट हूँ एक डोमिनेंट हैंड है जिससे शूट करना है दूसरा हाथ मुझे यूज ही नहीं करना है
Yeah.
तो क्या एज एन एथलीट मैं एक हाथ को ज्यादा ट्रेन करूंगा एक हाथ को ज्यादा ट्रेन करूंगा
नहीं, because that would lead to injuries.
अच्छा व्हाट इज दिस शेप ये क्या है रैंडमली बना दिया क्या
नहीं, so this is designed specifically for the shooter's hand. So we're borrowing the pistol from the coach here.
अच्छा, okay.
This is designed for his hand, and which is why you would see all the finger points and finger marks.
अच्छा अगर मतलब ये मेरे लिए बनता तो ये अलग बनता है
Correct.
दैट वे हर शूटर का गन अलग होगा
Yes, and main point is that this is the point area where it shouldn't be beyond the palm. Otherwise, if it reaches this section, then you are just resting it against the bone.
हाँ
And leave it as loose as possible. It will hook into your arm.
ओके और ये बनती कहाँ है गुड्डू भैया की फैक्ट्री में
We would hope for the prices that we end up
अच्छा.
paying, but
ओ हाउ एक्सपेंसिव इज दिस
this would be roughly about 2 lakhs Indian rupees.
Okay.
This would be made in Switzerland. There are various other companies from Italy. And
सो
Germany
यूजुअली ये
as well.
गन जो ओलंपिक्स में यूज हो रही है वो भी इतने की ही होगी
Correct.
अच्छा सो दिस इज द ग्रिप
Yeah.
दिस इज द होल बैरल
We'll just open this up. Yeah.
हाँ तो यहाँ से गोली
निकलेगी,
जाएगी
yes.
बुलेट निकलेगी ठीक है व्हाट इज दिस
This is the air cylinder, which has compressed air in it.
हाँ.
And this is an air pistol event, which basically means that we aren't using actual ammunition. The ammo or the pellet is being projectiled by the use of the air.
Okay so this is not harmful as such
It is, if you really want it to be.
that was the point okay so I think we pretty much know the basic rules of operations here right before we get into warming up
Yeah.
I want you to tell me 3 things you have figured out while being on the range maybe things आपके coaches ने जो आपको बताया या फिर
Yeah.
आपने खुद figure out किया है कुछ ऐसे hacks जो मुझे beginner से थोड़ा बेहतर बना देंगे
Yeah. हम लोग साइड ऑन तो खड़े रहते हैं, बट देर इज अ वेरी गुड हैक टू बी मोर स्टेबल
हाँ
is to do a pelvic lock.
हाँ
So if you lock your pelvic in,
हाँ.
you'd be more stable because you have firmed up to the ground. So if you can try that, the very easy part is that your stomach goes in, and this is a pelvic lock.
अच्छा
You,
जितना अंदर कर सकते हैं उतना
no, you are not supposed to hold the breath.
हाँ
The pelvic lock happens slightly below the. So ये जो joint है,
हाँ
इसको आप थोड़ा अंदर internal rotate करो,
हाँ
and this is your like
I
okay now.
I didn't get it
Okay. ये जो लॉक है,
हाँ.
द बोन होगा यहाँ पे
हाँ.
नीचे.
हाँ
You are internally rotating.
एक बार देखें
You मतलब मैं strip
नहीं.
तो नहीं करूँगा.
वो नहीं करेंगे वो मेरा मतलब भी नहीं था
ये जो बोन है,
ये मेरी बॉडी में ये फीचर नहीं लग रहा है क्या बोल रहे हैं ये ऐसा करने का बोल रहे हैं ये ऐसे कैसे होता है
लॉक इन.
ओके ठीक है
ठीक है. पिलाटिस किया है?
नहीं मैं ऐसा एक्ट करूंगा कि मुझे समझ आ गया है
ठीक है.
ओके
So
पेल्विक
that
लॉक
is
मेरा
one.
हो गया है
So pelvic lock is one. The other is ideally shoot the shot in one breath. So we would breathe in while going up, and then धीरे से खुद ही shot नीचे आएगा. Don't try and fight it.
अच्छा
If you try and bring it down, वो नीचे चला जाएगा, and then If you are trying to raise it again, then you
हाँ.
are fighting gravity to go up.
अच्छा.
तो shot फिर
ओ
constellation में
खुद
जाएगा.
ही नीचे आएगा, मतलब नेचुरल फ्लो में जैसे जैसे नीचे आता जाए.
And then
और
वो एक जगह पे रुक जाएगा हाथ आपका.
हाँ
So that is the second one. The third one I already told you is like focus on the front side.
हाँ.
Still a basic point, but not followed enough. This is how the front side, the rear side looks, and you're supposed to see through it and see the front side. Needs to be equidistant on both sides, and it needs to be aligned at the top. At this point, the shot will go straight.
अच्छा. एंड इट ऑल्सो मीन्स कि इसके साथ वो 10 भी अलाइन होना चाहिए.
Yes. So we come and have this aligned sights here around the 4 or 5 ring because the barrel will have a projectile. वो थोड़ा ऊपर छोड़ेगा. Also because the sight is also black, you can't aim in the black zone
अच्छा.
क्योंकि दिखेगा ही नहीं आपको.
मतलब नीचे मारने की कोशिश करेंगे.
हाँ, यहाँ पे आके this is what we call the aiming area. Because it's also white area, you can see the black sight.
सो बिफोर वी स्टार्ट, जो हैक्स मैंने सीखे हैं वो फटाफट मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. सो यू स्टार्ट विद द पेल्विक लॉक, यू रेज द गन एंड यू ट्राई टू नॉट फाइट ग्रेविटी. सो you let it come low and by practice you hope कि आपने अच्छा प्रैक्टिस किया है और वहाँ पे अलाइन करना है आपको इन दोनों साइड्स के साथ. सो दिस साइड and the fourth ring, if they are center aligned, we will be able to hit the bullseye. और एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चैलेंज है. सो नीरज इज बेटिंग कि मैं 5 पॉइंट्स या उससे कम पॉइंट्स हिट करूँगा. अगर मैं उससे कम पॉइंट्स हिट करता हूँ तो अगले शॉट में मैं हैप्पी बर्थडे हैट पहनूंगा. अगर उससे ज़्यादा होता है, क्या अगला शॉट आप एक बर्थडे हैट के साथ लोगे? ठीक है, चैलेंज एक्सेप्टेड, लेट्स गो. आप लोग आप व्हाट आर यू गाइस बेटिंग ऑन? हाँ, क्या ऑफ द टारगेट? अच्छा. अभी टारगेट लगा तो तुमको पहनना पड़ेगा, ठीक है. मेरे कोच ने मुझे बहुत अच्छे से सिखाया है. And I am going to pelvic lock. Okay.
I think he was right.
शायद आप लोग तो शायद भगवान नहीं चाहते थे कि आज नहीं अभी हम हिट करें, क्योंकि ऐसा होता है ना कि परफेक्ट चीज़ों से पहले भगवान परीक्षा लेता है. तो ये शायद अपनी परीक्षा थी जिसमें हमने कुछ और हिट किया है. ये भी हिट करेंगे एक दिन. हम कुछ वार्म अप करेंगे, हम कोशिश करेंगे कि जितना हो सके उतना बीच में जा सके.
Only way up from here now.
ओनली वे, हाँ, इससे कम क्या ही हो सकता है. ये 0 हो गया है तो 10 करना पड़ेगा.
अच्छा लग गया.
आई एम अ जीनियस जिसको पता नहीं है कि मैं जीनियस हूँ गाइस. ओके.